Hey guys, yes, I'm still around. Yes, I'm still alive. And I'll tell you what happened to me. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Art here off the Dope Media Group. As you see by the thumbnail, some friends have posted me up on billboards and so forth, so I had to do a video just to kind of let you know what's been going on with me and where I've been. Make a long story short, life has an amazing way of being life, and everything is rolling along fine, moving along, getting things in order, and I burned out. I crashed and burned. Not too bad, but a little bit. Had a lot going on, and had to kind of take a step back and reevaluate some things that were going on in my life and some situations and so forth, and do what's best for me. Kind of like the video that I talked about before, or in the video that I talked about, as far as surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. Well, when you do that, a lot of times you find out that you find yourself kind of moving along and going on your own path by yourself until you find other like-minded individuals. So anyway, with that being said, I kind of, again, had to take a step back and kind of reevaluate some things. In the meantime, when I did that, I got things together, got back on track, and then boom, something else happened. Fast forward to last week. I'm still in the hood, if you will. I call it that because that's what it is. Putting things in place so I can make a move forward to a better workspace, better work environment, and so forth. Again, continuing surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals includes the community or the neighborhood that you live in. Well, I was a victim of some isolated, we'll call it stupidity. And what happened is basically I had some people running down the block, I think it was last week now, and a few days ago, I should say, and decided that they wanted to bust out windows on the block. And I was a victim of some isolated stupidity, and they busted out all four of the tops of the front of the living room window. So with that being said, that was kind of a setback, kind of a bummer, especially coming off being burnt out and getting back in the groove of things. So anyway, my point is this: I'm back, I'm here, I'm keeping it moving, and all I have to say is that all you got? You know, I'm a fighter, I'm a survivor, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. This channel is gonna survive. I'm gonna continue doing what I do as far as the creativity. I hope you guys can learn from my experience in that in life, things are gonna always happen. We have no control over. All we have control over is ourselves. So with that being said, stay focused, live in the now, keep it moving, stay positive. I hope you're having a good day, night, or evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos and excitement from the channel. Peace.